for real. It's a dead or alive and I ain't gonna chill. Falling down on the beat, gonna give you some hit. Chillin' baby on my seat, looking forward out to shit. Come on brother, it's a cheat, always going to show the real. It's a big fucking deal, because the body know it's real. And I'm not seeing fear among the beach for a view. And I ain't tripping baby, cause I don't care for you. Relaxing on our couch, with 420 on the pouch. Getting higher in the house, and I break out your clutch. I'ma get on my dress, putting out of all the mess, while riding on my desk without doing all my best. It's as simple like that, like a tic-tac on the clock. Gonna kill them all of you, pointing you with the Glock. And I'll give you a shit without doing any fire, cause I don't wanna see you anymore getting higher, nigga.